Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So our today topic is reaction time. Okay, in this reaction time is very important in JEE mains and advanced and NEET level also students. And CBSE is a very important question is the reaction time. In the reaction time, the reaction time means when a situation demands our immediate action. Okay, it takes some time before we really respond. That is called reaction time. When a situation demands our immediate action, it is taken some time. We really respond. We really respond. That is called reaction time. Okay students, so for example, if a person is driving and suddenly a boy is appeared on the road, then the time elapsed before he slams brakes are applied is the reaction time. Okay, it's a very important students. So next to one problem, that problem is also very important students. Okay, take a ruler and ask your friend to drop it vertically through the gap between thumb and forefinger. After you catch it, find the distance d traveled by the ruler. Okay, then the d value is equal to 21.0 centimeter. 21.0 centimeter means 21 centimeter students. So body is freely falling. A is equal to plus g, that is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, and initial velocity u naught is equal to v naught is equal to 0. Then students, the relation between distance and reaction time, one equation is there, one formula is there student. That formula, so take kinematic second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Here s is the d, that is the distance. Distance d is equal to, so u value 0, the initial velocity is a freely falling case is 0, 0 into something 0, half into g into, so t time, what time? Reaction time, t r whole square. So cross multiplication, 2d is equal to g tr square. The tr square is equal to square root of 2d by g. Okay, tr is the reaction time, tr is equal to square root of 2d by g. These two values are substituted in this formula. So tr is equal to square root of, so 2 into, so d value 21. So 21, this is 21 students, 21 centimeter. So take to convert meter, .21 by 100. So 21 by 100, 0.2 student, 0.2 by, so 9.8. So approximately TR is equal to 2 seconds. This is the reaction time. So okay, very important concept, student, in this NEET and mains level. The reaction time means when any action or any situation, student, when any situation demands our immediate action. When a situation demands our immediate action, it is taken some time before we really respond. This is the relation and reaction time. Okay, students, the first problem, student, the acceleration time graph of a particle moving along a straight line is as shown in the figure. Draw the respective velocity time graph. Okay, students, in this type of graph problems also is important in NEET and mains level, students. Is very important in this type of graph to convert to another graph. For example, acceleration time graph to convert to position time graph and velocity time graph. The next, if velocity time graph to convert to position time graph. This type of problems are very important and NEET and mains level, students. Okay, the first one, okay, the acceleration time graph of a particle moving along a straight line. Okay, first the initial velocity 0. The initial velocity 0, the time interval, student, t is equal to 0 to 2 seconds. So from time t is equal to 0 to 2 seconds, then acceleration is always positive in the upward direction above time axis, student, that is plus 2 meter per second square. T is equal to 0 to 2. How many seconds? Only 2 seconds. So t is equal to 2 seconds. Then initial velocity is 0. Therefore, v is equal to u plus at. Then v is equal to 0 plus 2 into 2. Then v is equal to 4 meter per second. The velocity is equal to 4 meter per second and the time 2 seconds. The first to draw the graph, student. So very important. Is the time and velocity graph. 0 to 2 seconds. This is the 0. In this 2 seconds, this only 4 meter per second. Is the 4 meter per second is passes through origin, students, in this way. In this way. Okay, it's a straight line. Next to so 2 to 4 in this figure, AT graph in this figure is along passing through the time axis. These two are contact with each other. Then acceleration is equal to 0. So from 2 to 4 seconds, then acceleration is equal to 0. Acceleration is equal to 0 means if the VT graph is straight line, is a parallel to the line is represents the constant velocity, then that is the acceleration will be 0 from 2 to 4. This is the 4. This is the 4. Next to from 4 to 6. from 4 to 6 second, then acceleration will be negative. The acceleration is minus 4 meter per second square. The 4 to 6 second, then from t is equal to 4 to 6 second, then t is equal to only 2 seconds. In this initial velocity, students, initial velocity 4 meter per second, then u is equal to 4 meter per second. In this graph, v is equal to u plus at, that is equal to u minus at, then v is equal to u value 4 minus 4 into 2, 4 into 2, that is equal to minus 4 meter per second. Okay, this is the minus 4 meter per second. This is the graph, student. Draw the representative respective Vt graph. This is a very important, students, in this problem. Once again, listen all of you students. In this figure, AT graph, acceleration time graph of a particle moving along a straight line is as shown in the figure. Draw the respective Vt graph. In this AT graph, so acceleration is a dependent variable, is taking a y-axis. Time is an independent variable, taking a x-axis, acting along the x-axis. From first one is t is equal to 0 to 2 seconds. So 0 to 2 means 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 seconds. Then acceleration is equal to a is equal to is the upward direction is a plus 2 meter per second square. Starting before coming to motion, the body will be rest position at the t is equal to 0, then the particle velocity is 0, u is equal to 0 plus 2 into 2, 4. Is passing through origin, students, is passing through origin in 2 seconds. That velocity is 4 meter per second. Next, in this graph, so 2 to 4 is these two are contact with each other. These two are contact with each other. Then acceleration is always 0. Acceleration is equal to 0, students. From 2 to 4 seconds. Time is there 2 seconds. The time changes. The acceleration will be 0, students. Next, from t is equal to 4 to 6. So below time axis, the value is negative. Below the time axis, the value is negative. Above time axis, the value is positive. Below time axis, the acceleration is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. So from 4 to 6 seconds, the time interval is t2 minus t1. So t2 is 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2 seconds. So using kinematics first equation, v is equal to u plus at, they find out v, students. V is equal to, is a graph is a down, the velocity will be decreases. The velocity will be decreases. Then tan theta is equal to negative, students. So why negative? The slope is at constant, but the decrease, the 4 to 0, the velocity is decreases. Then 0 to minus 4, the velocity is increases. Then u is equal to 4 meter per second, that is the initial velocity. The time is 2 seconds and acceleration minus 4. 4 minus 8, that is equal to minus 4 meter per second. This is the respective velocity time graph. So hope you like this video, students. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So thank you. In this channel, students, is the focus on mainly NEET, JEE main students. Okay, thank you.